It's surprisingly easy to scratch or break your glass cooktop. It generally happens when it's hot. You don't need to replace your entire stove though. Here are the tools and tricks to get your glass cooktop back in action. You'll need a pair of thin but protective work gloves. This is glass, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a shop vacuum. Before you start, you should have a replacement cooktop. Many stoves and ranges have a model number on the inside or on the back of the stove. Replacement parts can be ordered online and shipped straight to your house. You may want to gently slide your stove away from the counter into the kitchen so you can work more easily. After ensuring that there's no power going to your stove, open the oven door. There should be 2 Phillips head screws holding your cooktop to the stove frame. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Set the screws aside so you can reinstall them later. You will now need to remove the cooktop from the stove frame and set it aside. If the cooktop is broken, there may be sharp pieces of glass or ceramic in the work area. Be sure to use your gloves so you don't cut yourself. If the burners are not attached to the stove frame, simply lift off the cooktop and set it aside. Clean the area using a vacuum if there's any debris. This cooktop has burners that are attached to the frame. Your burners may be attached to the top itself. If that is the case, simply remove a screw from here and here on both sides. Once you've removed your glass cooktop and the area is clean of debris, you are ready to install your replacement cooktop. Slide your cooktop onto the frame. There should be noticeable notches where it slides on. Now you can secure your cooktop to the frame using the 2 screws you removed in the beginning. Now I'm just gonna push it back into the wall and plug it in. Let's get cooking.